insanely hot, but we are having a blast so far. We've already snapped a couple of pictures right in front of the castle, and of course, look how pretty this little fountain view is over in the garden. So we're gonna head over and do some fun stuff over towards Haunted Mansion. So it's gonna be a really fun day. I hope you enjoy and stay tuned. Take a cool photo and the moat is drained. Wah, wah. I can't imagine how much stuff that they actually found in the moat. Anyways, if you really want a cool spot, once this moat is not drained, come over here just towards like when you're going towards like Liberty Square, and this is such a really good photo op because you have a really cool view of the castle. But anyways, we had a good idea, but oh well. This is the area I was talking about where the photo spot is. If you can kind of get an idea, you stand like right here, and then that's your view of the castle. It's so pretty, but it's all blocked off because they're doing construction. Looks like they're expanding Sleepy Hollow.
Mori.
Memento mori. I'm gonna go get our pictures taken, finally. I will insert photos now of what our old lenticular photos look like. We've lost quite a bit of weight since then, so yes. It'll be fun to go and take them again, right?
We'll be skinny and scary.
Goals. Hashtag goals.
That's right.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, I love that sign. And that throw, if you guys saw my packing video. Yeah. Oh, might have to add that to the collection. How much is that? Oh my gosh, $35. Sweet home. You guys know, Haunted Mansion is my favorite and where we always start. have been on
lunch.
this, so no, I didn't. We just stayed at Columbia Harbor House. And it didn't come back up, so that's good. Yay! It's a hot, hot day. So we're gonna go cool off and do something we haven't done. Have you ever done this? Okay, so this is the first for Trav. I used to work in Tomorrowland, so I've done this very many times, but it's a really good spot to get cooled off, and it's a cool show, so let's go enjoy. Yes. Oh my gosh, it feels so good already. So, we're here. It is really, really hot. I think it's about 94 degrees maybe.
It says 90, but
it says 90, but it feels hotter just because of the humidity. So we're gonna cool off for a little bit and enjoy Carousel of Progress. It's this one's very first time, so it'll be fun. Next up is Space Mountain. I don't know if you can see it, but the standby wait, 90 minutes. Middle of the day in June. That's why we love fast passes. I'm so glad we have fast passes. Because the wait about, like I just showed you, is about 90 minutes. And I have to say, I think this is, Travis, is this your favorite ride in Magic Kingdom? Is this your favorite ride in Magic Kingdom?
It's one of them,
Yeah. Obviously you guys know mine is Haunted Mansion, but this is definitely Travis's, so we're excited.
You miserable cur!
What may I offer for these hearty heads? Everyone an egg layer.
Not less they be laying golden eggs.
Hey there, you bilge rat.
Oh, quit your clucking. The gentlemen want the rum. Don't ya, boys?
Here I be, holding the treasure map and the key as well. That I wouldn't give to see the look on Captain Taxpayer's face when he hears
Alright, we're back. So as you can tell, we took a midday break. There was a nice torrential downpour, which is really nice because it's cooled off the parks a little bit. So we're gonna go and enjoy Epcot for the evening. So come and follow along. Yeah, so there is a Disney Villains evening event at Magic Kingdom tonight, and I kept having this theory that because there was 2 evening events at the parks tonight, maybe Epcot might be a little bit lighter. So so far it's looking pretty good, and so I think we're gonna go over and ride Spaceship Earth and just kind of start the night with an oldie but a goodie. Okay, so we're heading to the World Showcase. Can we just say we picked the best night ever to come to EPCOT. There is nobody here. It's so awesome. I'm guessing because Flower and Garden ended Monday or Tuesday of this week, and so I don't think there's much incentive for people to come. But
and it just rained, so it scared them all off.
Poured, so yay for us. So we're gonna go try to grab some food in the World Showcase. So we actually headed over to several pavilions after I filmed that last little bit, and we just kind of struck out left and right, not being able to find something yummy to eat without a dinner reservation required. So highly recommend that in the future. Make sure you guys have those dinner reservations prior to heading over to the World Showcase. But either way, it was a fantastic first day. I really appreciate you guys tuning in, and please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel because there is tons more Disney content coming soon. Thanks so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Bye!